inviting you to come here.
There we are.
About 20,000 unique individuals every year. About 500 of them currently are living with cancer. Nutritionists. We also have a really comprehensive behavioral health program. We have attorneys on our team.
Is that Whitman-Walker is opening a 100,000 square foot facility in Southeast. Yeah. So we're going to put you
Monitoring supply all the time, but what we ended up having to do over really a 24 to 48 period.
They lost their jobs. Some of them had cancer. And so our helpline at Cancer Support Community, we had over 4.
Everybody needs more mental
Yes.
health workers. I mean,
100%.
schools and just
Absolutely. And you know, the mental health professionals are exhausted. They're suffering themselves.
Yes.
Which is not their primary language.
Yes, absolutely.
And extend access that way. You were speaking about.
And I think that broadband issue, I mean, is just so important.
Yeah.
I mean, for, like we're saying, for schools, for
Yeah.
medical facilities, you know.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I mean, for so many. Because I've seen it. You know, I saw it all during the campaign.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
and I've heard from teachers nationwide.
I'm sure.
I mean, you know, they can't reach a lot of their students.
Right.
So a lot
It's
of
an
them are
equity
falling
issue.
behind.
It is. And so these issues, these technology issues are health equity issues at the end of the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. Dr. Biden,
And
get
you
done
know,
what we
we're
need to
in
get
your
done.
corner, you know, more importantly. So,
Yeah.
I mean, we just have to work together and address some of these things
That's right.
that we're seeing. And, you know, the first thing we have to do is address this pandemic.
100%.
And get everybody vaccinated.
Back
and,
to
you
work.
know, yeah, and back to work,
Yeah,
and back to their school,
Yeah.
back to, and get things back to the new normal.
The new normal.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
And that's, so it's going to be critical, I think, during this time period. And
Risk of really some significant complications from COVID. So we're really fun.
Joe's working on this, as he announced yesterday
Yes.
and last week. I mean,
Yes.
you know, the pandemic
Yeah.
is his number one priority
It has
at
to be.
this moment. And if we can just come together as a nation and say, you know, okay, maybe I don't believe in wearing a mask, but I'm going to wear it for my neighbor who is a cancer survivor
That's right.
and,
That's
you know,
right.
is immune compromised.